Okay, um, so one of the songs that I would like you to do more to work on, is this one that's like a Pink Floyd kind of vamp over a C major 7 and an F7, I believe. Um, you'll kind of get the picture, but it just would be cool with like a meandering sax solo. There's a song off of The Dark Side of the Moon that's like a similar vibe that I'm going for. Um, Let me pull it up so I can share it with you. I'm trying to remember what it's called. It has a vocal solo that's just over like nonsense syllables, but I was picturing like a sax solo, but it's a similar vibe. The Great Gig in the Sky. It's a similar vibe to that. Anyway, so it's sort of like this. Oops. And then it has a B section. And then it goes back. And that's the main vibe. That was a little faster than I'll probably do it, but if you want to use that as inspiration, go ahead. Hopefully that gets you a place to start. Sorry I haven't sent you anything yet. I've been kind of busy. It's dead week right now, but somehow I'm a lot less busy. I don't know. Um, Another one that might have more that I wanted to solo on. The bulk of it, it's also in C, and it's like over similar thing, except a F major 7 instead of a dominant 7. But then the part that I wanted to solo over is this. It goes into a key change. I don't really know what key I'm in. Sorry, but it kind of goes like this. That was something like that. So more of the vision with that song, it like each of the verses ends with like this big thing where and I vocally it like goes up to this big crescendo, and then I was just gonna say like have this big line, and then when it goes into that key change or goes into the key change, then it was just gonna have like this sort of frantic, really energetic sax solo that was sort of just an exclamation of exasperation. Like the end of the vocal line then is like, and I can say that all I want, and yet the feeling it stays the same. What a shame. If that makes sense. Anyway, if you want to do anything with that, or you just have questions or whatever, let me know.